Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can take an appointment to send the consignment to Amazon warehouse. It is pretty simple. Uh, Before I get into the details, if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss upcoming video. So without further ado, let's go to Carrier Central on Google. So the second one is welcome to Carrier Central, carriercentral.amazon.com. Obviously, this is for the US. So if you want to go to the UAE, then you have to choose carriercentral.amazon.ae. So as you can see, I have already an account. So that's the reason you have seen this page. So in the start, just to create an account, they will ask your username and password. You need to put username and password, and then you're gonna see this sort of page. Okay, and then you need to go to request, and now you need to choose the destination. How you can get this destination is pretty simple. Go to your Seller Central account, go over here, click on inventory, and then you're gonna go to manage FBA shipment. So as you can see here, this is the one I have created on 80th January. So click on that. So now you have Amazon reference ID number, which is FBA shipment number, and then you have ship to, it is DXP5 sortable FC, and then obviously you have the content details, 9 MSKU and 161 units. So in order to take the appointment, you need to go back to Amazon Carrier Central. So let's choose here DXP5, and then freight type, it has to be a less than a truckload. If you're sending, for instance, 4 or 5 containers, just like a small box, then obviously you have to choose less than a truckload. If you're sending a big container, then it has to be a truckload. Load type, it will be a palletized or floor loaded. Similarly, if it is less consignment, then you need to choose palletized. Otherwise, if it is more fully loaded, then floor loaded. So here we're going to choose palletized. Is freight clampable? Yes, it is yes. Carrier request delivery date. Now this is very important. So you can choose the delivery date you wish to send the consignment. So let's say I am gonna choose Feb 3rd on Friday. Then you need to choose the time. Obviously it has 24 hours format. Let's say you're sending at 5 o'clock 15. So you have set the carrier request delivery date. You can set according to your availability. Now just leave these two options, this is not important. Now BOL list use as separator. Go back to Amazon and then the ID number, just copy, paste it over here. Vendor name is your company name or your individual name. My name is this. Then pallet count, obviously it is 1 at the moment. So, and then you need to choose the MSKU. So you can go back to the carton count. So obviously the pallet count is 1, the carton count, let's say you're gonna fit all the items in 5 boxes. And the unit count, again, you can come back to Amazon. Seller Central, content, total is 161 units. So just put it over here. And then PO list, you need to put reference number. Over here. And then request appointment. Appointment created successfully. You can view and edit your appointment. So after sometimes 10 to 20 minutes, you're gonna get your email that you have got the confirmation email that your appointment has been set on this following date and time. Okay guys, I hope it is very clear to you, and you must have learned something new today. If you have any questions, any advice, do mention on the comment box, and I'll see you in the next video.